Hi, my name is Guru. I will be a guide for this topic, hand tools. Surface plate. Surface plate is a solid, flat plate used as the main horizontal reference plane for precision inspection, marking layout, and tooling setup. Material and construction. Surface plate are generally made of good quality cast iron which are stress relieved to prevent distortion. The work surface is machined and scraped. Its bottom is heavily ribbed to provide rigidity. Some surface plates are also made up of granite. Steel rule. Steel rule is a measuring tool. It is used to measure or draw lines when there is no given tolerance. Material and construction. It is made up of spring steel or stainless steel. Sizes. Steel rule are available in the lengths of 150 mm, 300 mm, and 600 mm. Measuring tape. Measuring tape is a flexible ruler. It looks like a ribbon with graduations, both in millimeter and inch, to measure. It is available in the ranges of 3 meter, 5 meter, and 10 meter. Types of measuring tapes: plastic tape, ribbon cloth, fiberglass, metal tape. Tri-squares. The tri-square is a precision instrument which is used to check squareness of a surface. The accuracy of measurement by a tri-square is about 0.002 mm per 10 mm length. Tri-squares application: setting workpiece at right angle, checking flatness, marking lines at right angles, measuring workpiece through length, checking squareness. Calipers. Calipers are simple measuring instruments used to transfer measurements from a steel rule to objects and vice versa. Types of calipers. Based on types of legs, outside caliper, inside caliper. Based on types of joints, firm joint, spring joint. Dividers. Dividers are used to scribing circles, arcs, and transferring and stepping of distance. It is available with firm joint and spring joint. The size of dividers range between 50 mm to 200 mm. The distance from the point of the center of the fulcrum roller pivot is the size of divider. Surface gauge. The surface gauge is one of the most common marking tools used for scribing lines parallel to a datum surface. Types of surface gauges: fixed type, universal type. Surface gauge fixed type. The fixed type of surface gauge consists of a heavy flat base and a spindle, fixed upright, to which a scriber is attached with a snug and a clamp nut. Applications: setting jobs on machines parallel to a datum surface, checking the height and parallelism of jobs, setting jobs concentric to the machine spindle. Surface gauge universal. Its construction is similar to the fixed type surface gauge. Its spindle can be adjusted. Its base is provided with a V groove. Application: the spindle can be set to any position. Fine adjustments can be made quickly. Can also be used on cylindrical surfaces. Scribers. Scriber is used to scribe lines to indicate the dimensions of workpieces to be filed or machined. The scriber is used like a pencil so that the lines drawn are close to the straight edge. Safety precautions. Scriber points are very sharp and they are to be held very carefully. Do not put the scriber in your pocket. Place a cork on the point when not in use to prevent accidents. This is the end of the topic, hand tools.